That's crunchy. These are the things we're gonna need for this recipe. 1 medium aubergine, fresh basil, marinara sauce that you can buy in any supermarket, ready to go, salt, flour, dry oregano, water, cornstarch, black pepper, and panko breadcrumbs. This recipe is delicious. So let's start. Let's begin by prepping our aubergine. So just putting these balls on the side. I'm gonna get the aubergine. We're gonna take out the top. That's the part that we don't want. Being careful to waste the minimum as we can waste. Don't want to waste too many vegetables. Then we're gonna slice in thick rounds. Let's say 1 finger thick, more or less. Okay, so we go slicing this, and let's see. First one's not gonna be nice because we're gonna just get ready for the next, and then we just go slicing thick slices of aubergine. Here we go. If you guys want to learn more about knife skills and how to use a knife and different types of cuts, I have another video that I explain exactly how to hold the knife, how to do it, how to protect your fingers, how to use it. So go watch it later. So our aubergine is ready. Now we're gonna do our mix. So we're gonna use 3 bowls. 1 bowl, we're gonna put half of the flour that we have. So keep half of the flour in here. The second bowl, we will have the rest of the flour, the corn flour, all of it, all. And then we add water here. So we're gonna make a thick batter in here. So water. Thick, can be the whole cup, I think. Yeah, let's go. So that's how thick you want it to be. Let me show you guys with a spoon here. See, so that's how thick you want. If by any chance you add too much water in here and it's too liquid, just add a little bit more flour and problem solved, right? Then what we need to do here as well, we're gonna add our oregano into this batter. So let's like that's better. So oregano in here. Black pepper. And salt. How much? 2 tablespoons. Mix. Now this is ready. Our flour is ready. Our panko is ready. So what we need now, we jump here into the stove. I'm gonna start heating up this oil and prep. So this is my station for frying. So I have my flour here, my mixture, and my breadcrumbs. Always remember, guys, one hand always in the dry, one hand always in the wet. Gonna heat up my oil until 175 degrees Celsius, and we're gonna start deep frying these babies. This is my dry hand, so I go with the aubergines in here, dip on the butter, like that, on the panko. I'm gonna use this pot here to heat up my marinara sauce, so I'm gonna put on low, maybe 4, yeah, it's good. Let's go here in the marinara. So that's good. So we're gonna take this out. So this is a way of not burning yourself, so use a spatula, use something so you don't drop your fingers inside the oil. Do like that. Drop the food that's burning. Let's fry it. Meanwhile, this is gonna heat up. We're gonna season this a little bit as well. So some black pepper, little bit of salt, some extra oregano, this is going fast. Let's turn it. So we want to fry this until it's really golden brown color. It's still a little bit white. It's really fast, but don't worry, the aubergines are gonna be cooked. They're not gonna be raw. Had an idea, know what we can do for flavor. So instead of chopping all this basil leaves and putting inside, we're just gonna get the end of the basil, and then we're gonna drop this inside of to add some extra layer of flavor here. Our first aubergine is ready. Look at the color of this beauty, eh? Madonna. Let it dry here. Listen. That's crunchiness, baby. That's crunchiness. So let's keep on going. Next, flour, butter, panko. If you want to make this like a hot sauce, you could just add some chili in here and problem solved, which is a good alternative for this as well. It's beautiful. And let's remove the stems from our sauce here. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm almost done with all the aubergines. Then we're gonna plate it and finally eat this beast. Now let's try to do some garnish here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Number one. Be careful, guys, if you're doing this at home. So let's plate our baby for service. So our marinara sauce here ready. Then what we want to do, I want to organize the aubergine, so let's do it like that. Let's taste this one. Our deep fried basil, beautiful. Garnish. Listen to one, how crunchy it is. That's it, lads. That's it. That's crunchy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.